Hello everyone, and thank you for viewing my recent video regarding the exhaust pressure sensor problem on the 1.5 diesel in a few Nissans, the Qashqai for me. The problem starts with a number of dash lights coming on, followed by a number of warnings and systems turning off. For example, start, stop, cruise control, amongst a couple of others. Plugging in a code reader gives codes P0470 and P0471. Stating exhaust pressure sensor. The problem is, in fact, the pipe from the manifold up to this sensor is getting clogged with carbon. A lot of people say to try using a gear cable from a bike and a drill to feed down, using the drill to feed the cable around the bends to help clear the clog. However, this isn't always successful and isn't a viable long-term solution. After seeing my video, you'll see it's not that difficult for someone with a couple of spanners and a bit of common sense to change the pipe themselves. So today I thought I could open the pipe to find the blockage. So there's a couple of major bends, one at the top, halfway down, one not so bad near the bottom. I actually thought it was going to be this horseshoe as it goes back into the manifold, but after cutting it open, it's actually that one. Try and get a bit of light, and you can just see the build up there. If we grab our cable, you'll see that doesn't actually go in. So it would be quite difficult with the drill to get that out. After reassembling the car, clearing the codes, I've seen a few videos where they recommend giving your car a nice motorway blast. I say blast, 70 miles an hour, keeping your car in 4th gear, allowing your car to get hot for an extended period of time and under a decent amount of load. So 70 miles an hour, 4th gear. And looking back at my previous video, it would only take someone with a couple of spanners and a bit of common sense. It'd take them about an hour and a half maximum to replace this pipe, obviously providing they've got the tools listed. I really hope this helps someone, maybe in the future. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my previous video. Bye bye.